Hi, what's up, Polygon holder? Polygon holder, this is live price prediction, and congratulations to price will pumps up, my friend. And previous days, all coins were very badly falls down, and just and only, my friend, for all of you, this is very good news, my friend, because everybody know this, my friend. Everybody know this to be the coin will fails down. So definitely after a dump, every coin will pumps up. So that same process, my friend, as you can see here, today they go now and upward. So that's mean, my friends, too. That's true, my friend. Expert says to upcoming time the coin price will pumps up. So Polygon is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, and definitely all experts going to be true now, my friend. And I also, my friends, tell you in my previous video, if you check out to in upcoming last 10 days of every month, every coin will pump up. So therefore that's true, my friend. As you can see here, the price is starting pumping, the price is moving upward, the price is definitely give you a profit. You can see here, my friend, this time they will get a profit. You can see here 0.44%. This is very less, but definitely it's positive, so that's very good for all of you now, my friend. And the price will also jump now, my friend. You can see here the price is 1.16 USD dollar. Definitely in previous, my friends, days 1 point they will come down to 1.10, my friends, but definitely you can see here, and this time you can see here they will again hit 1.15. So that's a very good, my friend, for all of you. They will again starting increasing, and they will give you a profit. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will give us, my friends, 10% profit, and just in only in this last 10 days. And if they just in only give us, my friends, 10% profit, so congratulations, they will easily hit now 1.5 to 1.8 USD dollar, my friend. This is our price target. I hope they will easily hit the now. Kindly, if you trust on ABS channel, now subscribe this channel. If you want to earn money and crypto, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.